So respecting cultural norms is a big thing that I've been struggling with as a man. And during my tenure as a human, I have been confronted with that type of stuff. And I think that we all have to come to grips with it. We have to be passionate. We have to be merciful above all things. We have to show mercy. And holy dog shit, there's a fucking tornado goddamn gonna form. And if I told you, you'd think I was a fucking liar. And you'd hope I wasn't a liar because there's no tornado warning on it. But that motherfucker right fucking there. And here we are. What the fuck? It's, it ain't but 10 miles out. It's fucking right there. I don't know if it can fucking see it. God almighty, if it ain't a fucking tornado right fucking there. Definitely a circulation right there near south of Independence, north of Barr. If it ain't, I'll kiss your ass. Let's get Echo Top, Ping Top. See? 21,000. That cocksucker starts breaking yellow, starts breaking the tops. You're going to start sucking dick, and you're going to start swallowing cum. And that's going to how it's going to go. And see, that's why the advertisers don't like me. It's the Howard Stern, maybe. God bless him. I don't know. Be careful. You know, you can't just say everybody's name. But I mean, there's so many phallic symbols when you start talking about thunderstorms, updrafts, the grrr. It's all about the grrr. It's all about the girth. Remember that. The width and the girth. Length and the girth. It's that throat factor. Yep. Well, let me tell you what. I'm pulling it in. Look at the cocktail you're pulling. Oh my God. We're gonna die. Holy shit. We're fixing to motherfucking die, man. I'm telling you. I need quad panels right here. Because right now we are dealing with this shower, that wraparound right there. Extremely concerned. Fucking goddamn tornado. Potential. Yep, and we're getting that BIL. That's a mesocyclone that I'm tracking. Maybe he is, maybe he's not. We'll switch to night mode. Like I said, we're moving it up here. The tornado is right there near Red Banks. We're on the cusp of getting it. I see the fucking circulation right fucking there. 16.4 miles. The fucking system's moving at, you gotta be shitting me, 60 knots. Dude, that's 70 miles an hour. That's 1 statute mile a minute. That's gonna be at Red Banks. We're 6 miles from Red Banks. Are we getting any lightning? Do you see any lightning? That's the fuck up. That's the bad thing. That's where we got to get these tops. If they start breaking, when you start getting lightning, you know you're in real trouble. They start breaking the cap. So get off of this next exit. The shit's fixing to hit the fan. Why ain't I charging? Sorry, I gotta keep this fucking thing rolling. I tell you what, it's a fight. It's a war fight. I want you people to be safe out there tonight. Holly Springs, they're still on that blue dar. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna break. It never does, you know, and guys like me, you know, people think I'm a fucking sick fuck. I had a guy I really looked up to, and I talked to him and I was like, man, you know, what do you think about these storms? He's like, man, my family got fucked up. I'm like, man, you like that? He said, man, I think, he said, when he was sick, he was very offended. I really offended the guy. It broke my heart.
Ashland.
Yeah, Ashland.
1 mile, it says. You want
Yep.
to take that exit?
You can go ahead and do that. I'm just saying you got to be aware of other people's sensitivities, man. Because, I mean, this could be a tragedy for some people. Oh, and it might be a tragedy for me because it looks like it's turning to shit. Severe thunderstorm warning down here. New severe thunderstorm warning issued. Sunflower County, Bolivar County, until 8:30 p.m. It's 7:46. Hot up line, 60-mile-an-hour winds. Line extending from Dublin to near Lamont, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
You sure you want me to get off here?
Yeah. Let me get back.
There's paper towels back there that you told
Park under that bridge. Put your four-way flashes on. Just trucking out. We're not breaking. goddamn fucking thing. I'm sorry. See, there's not an advertiser alive that would fucking pay to have me on their show. That's the fucked up thing, and that they won't advertise. You gotta be decent. That's what it is. It's just like the Ghost of Tom Joad. You gotta be decent, and I don't mind being decent, but when the shit hits the fan, the shit hits the fan. You know, we can play pussy all you want. I mean, if you want to finger fuck each other. But be safe. I mean, I don't want no beef. Don't hurt nobody. You guys better be fucking weather aware. This ain't no joke. This ain't no joke. That's a monster. That's a savage. It's coming right there towards I-55. Fucking tornado, 50 miles an hour is moving. And now the question is it going to get stronger? It's got to get more powerful. It's got to get more powerful. See, that blue dar has got to get more powerful so it generates some lightning. If it generates some lightning, we might get to see it. But the tornado itself is forming right now. It's fucking fixing to head here. Coming right out of the Devil's Crossroads, right there near fucking Rosedale at the mouth of the Mississippi River. That core updraft. Bless America. Give me that thing. Hand me my fucking torch, my war torch.
What is your war torch? Oh.
See, these cocksuckers just don't get it. By the way, look at this. Tell me this ain't like fucking Mad Max. Can you see that? Out there.
Yeah.
I'm testing this out because unfortunately we may have to rescue some people. Okay. Hey, look at you. Look at me. Look at me. Say something to the world. He says that to people.
World.
Talk to the devil's eye.
Hi, world.
Hi to the devil's eye.
My devil's eye.
That's so big. Fuck, man. You know, we're approaching 666,000. 666 views on the Satanic Bible. There's a woman on there. She's a priestess. She's very passionate. I don't mind her speaking. I hope she doesn't try to kill me, but she does preach. She gets fired up over shit like that. My satchel. All right. It's time to get ready. Over here, here's your helmets. one do you want? The black? Or I'll take the orange. You take the black. We're gonna get in the eye of the tornado, we won't. Might save a kid. Might save a kid's life tonight. You never know. Hopefully that that's you're sober.
Before freaking midnight.
Always think about that. Always think about the kids. Always think about the people.
I've been out 6 this morning.
All right. Well, we got a real problem. I want us in Holly Springs. Start moving forward, if you don't mind. Just maneuver forward. I'll guide you. You're going to probably go some funky roads. I'm going to be guiding you. This is where I take you on the road.
This is where I'm about to turn around and go home.
See, that's where the shit is, right over here to the back.
Just the
Backside.
Are we staying on this road?
It was like 5 miles.
Staying on this road?
Yeah, go straight.
Lightning.
Okay, you're getting lightning. Yep, that's tornadoes possibly. We're in the path of the.
Harry, this road stops.
Okay. Does it stop? Stop right here. Let me look at the GPS. Park.
It either stops or it goes off that way.
Okay, let's get our drone ready. Get the drone ready. I think we got a storm spiraling right now. Right now.
We gotta find a better place
Park it.
to park. That's
Yeah,
gonna be
okay.
right in a mud hole, and I'll need 4-wheel drive.
All right, get the drone ready. Because I think we got one. That's a storm right there, beginning to blossom. That's a twister. It's going to form right over top of us, possibly.
I wasn't really planning on buying.
Marker. Av set. Make sure the truck's on.
Yeah, the truck's on.
Make sure this thing is always green.
Probably never gonna fucking run again. Great. When I paid it off, where do you want to go? Muddy.
Is it muddy? You got the drone prepped?
Muddy in.
All right. Set it over there, please, in front of the vehicle. Okay, where my remote and my this is where it gets dangerous. I have to disconnect from the thing that gives us our early warning. Let's get this thing rolling. We're not getting a lot of lightning flashes.
Nope. I
Good
just
call,
seen that
but
one.
not quite yet. It's hard to. I don't want my drone too wet. We've got to connect. Oh, wow.
Is it necessary to have the
Put your fucking
doors
helmet.
open?
Get your helmet ready, man. We're about
my
close.
truck is getting rained into?
I know, so shut the doors. Let's get the drone prepared. Power up the drone. You power up the drone. Alright, I've got my helmet. Get your helmet. If it gets too bad, we gotta get out of this truck. The truck will be, if this thing cycles up, if it becks. Okay, listen. The storm is coming. I need you. Hold on. This is it. If there's something up there, we're kissing by now. stovepipe because I don't think this is the storm. I think there's something else out here. There's some more booty, if I may say. Are you in?
I'm inside the vehicle.
Okay,
But
let me get
I'm
in.
not in to go any farther than
All
we
right.
are going.
I need to get my fucking radar up the stat. I need your help. Get back on the highway. Get back on toward the highway. Real quick. While I work on this data, we are being swarmed by a bunch of tornadoes, supercell, whatever the fuck this shit is. Let me make sure we're plugged back in.
Alright, here's the highway.
Okay.
You want
Let's
me to
go
go
east.
under the underpass?
I want
again?
east. Yes, east.
Good, we're in agreement. Because this truck is acting fucking crazy. Yeah, Billy Bob is not happy.
This truck's named Billy Bob.
Yep.
No shit. Okay, we gotta.
Yep, when?
Hold on a second. Keep going. This is one of the worst shits that happened. Is the handshake off is really a fucking. It's like jerking off in a fucking public bathroom. It's not advised. Hey! Hopefully it wasn't on the radio. You know. Oh, man. Yeah. Alright, I think we're in. I'm trying to connect. Get some data in. Tornado warning, Mississippi. We're very close to it. Okay, yeah, the tornado is going to be coming up. We're going to be walking with it. Yeah, they're breaking. Alright, these motherfuckers are breaking. We are back live. It's a squall line. It's embedded in there. Real broad area rotation. Tornado warning. You see it breaking out. What is that? 50-some thousand feet. dinosaur man running. I know the dinosaur man! You cocksucker. Oh,
I know the dinosaur man!
Google man, Google man, Google man. Hey, don't forget about
Google man, Google man,
Good
Google
people,
man.
man.
Hey, don't
A
forget
little
about
misunderstood.
They're good
Holy
people.
McMoley. Oh my God, I've never seen one go that far.
Holy
It's kind of
McMoley.
like a dick in your pants.
Oh my God, I've never
When
seen
you
one
want to
go
go,
this far.
whoa, watch out for those
kinda
debris.
like a dick in your
Tornado
pants.
skin.
When you want to go, whoa, watch out for those
Heard it here first.
tornado skin. Heard it here first.
Sea cow. Oh, I hate it when I do that.
Oh,
Look at the fucking storm and a goddamn cloud breaks. It's like a
look at the fucking
orgasm.
storm and a
God, it's
goddamn
coming.
cloud.
We got a real problem now.